Mylla Winter Cabin by Fjord Arkitekter in Norway. Mylla Cabin is a winter cabin situated in Nordmarka, a forested region comprising the northern part of Oslo, Norway. Accessible within an hour's skiing distance from the city center, this route is renowned for its breathtaking scenery, making it a popular destination for winter sports enthusiasts. The cabin's design seeks to preserve the natural terrain and characteristics of the site. The construction is uncomplicated and pragmatic, employing robust and organic materials that can endure for centuries. The exterior cladding is made of pine wood that has undergone a Norwegian technique known as Møre Royal, whereby the wood is vacuum cooked in oil to enhance its weather resistance and minimize maintenance requirements. Over time, the wood develops a patina as it interacts with the environment, seamlessly blending with the surroundings. Inside, the cabin features varnished spruce from Bergen home. The ground floor boasts exposed polished concrete flooring, while the loft is finished with oiled spruce. With near-passive house standards, the cabin is exclusively heated with geothermal energy. The cabin's form is unassuming and straightforward. The elongated and narrow layout creates spatial separation between the bedrooms and common areas. The ground floor comprises the living room, dining area, kitchen, entry hall, bathroom, and bedrooms, while the loft accommodates an office and additional bedrooms. The common areas flow together seamlessly, providing distinct zones within the generous space. The living room commands the view and features large windows on two sides, creating a connection between the interior and exterior landscapes. Varying ceiling heights throughout the cabin add unique character and dimension to each room. The staircase is an integral piece of furniture that defines the design and layout of the cabin.